Hello and welcome to Mindfulness. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Allow your breath to flow naturally, deep and slow. Start with a few deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, imagine filling your body with a sense of calm and relaxation. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension or stress. Now, bring your attention to your body. Starting at the top of your head, scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you find these areas, imagine a warm, soothing light flowing through them, releasing the tension and relaxing the muscles. Take your time to focus on each part of your body. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow your mind to wander to a peaceful place. It could be a place from your memories or a place that you can imagine. Imagine yourself in a beautiful forest, with tall trees and a clear stream flowing by. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. You are surrounded by nature, and you feel at peace. Now, bring your attention back to your breath and focus on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. Imagine the breath as a wave, flowing in and out. As the wave flows in, imagine it washing away any negative thoughts or emotions. As the wave flows out, imagine it taking away any tension or stress. Allow your mind to become calm and still. As you come to the end of this meditation, take one final deep breath in, and as you breathe out, release any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. If you enjoy this content, we invite you to subscribe for more. Let me know how it makes you feel. Thank you.